Yes, sir. If subject is singular, then the verb should also be singular. And if the subject is plural, then the verb should also be plural.
No, it is not. It is not subject verb agreement. Because I is singular. Yesterday only I asked a question, na? I is singular, but we are not using S or ES with it when we use any verb. Correct now? We write read. We do not write I reads. If you write I reads, it is a wrong sentence. And that reason I want to know why it is wrong. And the reason is behind the agreement, subject verb agreement. So which you are telling that is not the correct one.
Sure.
Yesterday I forgot to send the link, but today I'll send it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then we start going for the fill up of the exercise number 6. Rewrite the following sentences using the verb in the present perfect or the present perfect continuous tense. The verb is given in the brackets in each sentence. So the first one, that gentleman dash at the bus stop for an hour. So what should come here? That gentleman is standing at the bus stop for an hour. Tell him that the bus has gone already or left already. What will come here?
Left. Has left already.
No, that gentleman dash at the bus stop for an hour.
Has been standing.
Correct. That gentleman has been standing at the bus stop for an hour. Tell him that the last bus dash already leave. What will come?
Has already left.
That the last bus has already left. I dash since morning and I cannot go home until late in the evening. So what will come here?
I have been working.
I have been working since morning and I cannot go home until late in the evening. Shyam dash for 3 hours and soon he will have to stop writing. Shyam has been writing. Correct. Shyam has been writing. Shyam has been writing. Be careful about the spelling of writing. Okay na? Because in write, at the last there is E. You have to remove this E and add ing. Shyam has been writing for 3 hours and soon he will have to stop writing. He dash for 2 hours and is now fresh.
Has been sleeping.
He has slept. He has slept for 2 hours and is now fresh. Matlab that action has been done. Now he is fresh, na? It is in present indefinite. I dash her for 2 hours. I wonder where she is.
Have not seen.
I haven't seen. Okay na? I
Yes.
haven't seen her for 2 hours. I wonder where she is. He dash just out.
He has just gone out.
Very good. He has just gone out. Like that Shubh Vishnoi just joined and he just left. And again he just joined. Yeah. Here are your shoes. I dash just dash them.
I have just polished.
Very good. I have just polished them. I dash up all the milk. Nothing is left for you.
I have used.
Or I have been using. It cannot go in present perfect
I have
continuous.
used.
No. It will be what? I have used. मैं यूज कर चुका हूँ. Correct na? So it is going in present perfect. I have used up all the milk, nothing is left for you. I dash all your books, please take them.
Have brought.
I have brought. She dash her work and she is going home now.
Has finished her work.
She has finished her work and she is going home now. So I think so exercise number 6 is completed of everybody.
Yes.
Okay, next we have to go to the past tense. Past means yesterday. The action which was done in the previous day. And the present means the action which is going in the present. And the future we will talk about the coming day, the coming tomorrow, the next day. So we will come to the exercise number 7. And what is the first sentence written here? The question is saying fill in the following blanks with correct tense of the verbs given in the brackets. Okay. So we have to fill in the blanks. He dash, he dash, he dash. He came. He came. He saw. He conquered. Okay? He came. He saw. He conquered. Conquered means to win over. Yeah. Second sentence. They dash in Delhi. Then they dash each other and soon dash married. They met in Delhi. Because meet is the first form. Second form met. Third form met. Okay na? They met in Delhi. Then they knew each other and soon got married. Gotten. Third one. Once a princess dash into a wood and dash down by a dream.
Went into the wood.
Once a princess went into a wood and sat. Second form sat and sat down by a stream. Stream means the flow of water. Fountain type you can say. Or a source of water. The earthquake dash in 1995.
Happened.
The earthquake happened in 1995. I dashed to the hospital last night. I went to the hospital last night. Last month, she dashed to meet me almost every day. Last month...
She came to meet me.
Yeah, correct. Very good. Last month, she came to meet me almost every day. He dashed the dog out twice a day before it died. He took the dog out twice a day before it died. Last year, she dashed the same dress at every party. She wore. Wore worn. Last year, she wore the same dress at every party. I never dashed coffee when I was young. I never liked
coffee when I was.
Yeah, very good girl. I never liked coffee when I was young. I dashed my work regularly last week.
I did my work regularly last week.
Very good. I did my work regularly last week because do, did, done. Then the exercise number 8. Fill in the blanks with the correct tense of the verbs given in brackets. He had left before we dashed time to warn him of the danger. Before we had. Okay. He had left before we had time to warn him of the danger. It is a little over 200 years since Mozart dash born. Was correct. Because whenever be comes, it remarks towards the helping verbs like do, does, did, is, am, are, was, were, will, shall, has, have, had. It points out towards the helping verbs. As soon as he had opened the door, his dog dashed out to greet him.
Rushed out to greet.
Rushed means to run quickly. On seeing someone, to run quickly. जल्दी में कह सकते हैं. I dashed a letter from my wife last week.
I had a letter from my wife last week.
Correct. I had a letter from my wife last week. Last week the government dashed new legislation. Last week the government introduced the new legislation. When dash you last dash your father?
When had you last seen your father? Sorry, did.
When did you last see your father? Okay na? Because it is indicating towards a particular action in the past. When did you last see your father? It was only last week that I dash you not to say that.
Told you.
Yeah, correct. It was only last week that I told you not to say that. He played poker until the sun rose. Rise, rose, risen. I dashed the bus past a few minutes ago.
I saw the bus.
I saw the bus pass a few minutes ago. He dashed me up just now.
He rang me up.
Just now. Exercise number 8 complete of all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Exercise number 9. Rewrite each of the following sentences using the verb in the simple past tense. The verb is given in the brackets in each sentence. So you have to rewrite them. Means you will do this in your note. So it will make you practice it more properly. Okay na? And I want to see the work also. Columbus dashed America about 400 years ago.
Discovered.
Columbus discovered America about 400 years ago. The children dashed goodbye to their grandparents.
Waved.
The children waved goodbye to their grandparents. I dashed chess when I was a child.
I played chess.
I played chess.
Correct. I played chess when I was a child. The dog would sit if you dash him too.
Told him.
Yeah, correct. Because would, it is going in past. The dog would sit if you told him to. We wish, comma is not here. We wish, we dash, what would happen?
Knew.
We wish, we knew. हमें पता होता. We knew what would happen. He just dash
Decided.
that he would undertake the job. He just
He just
decided.
decided.
Correct. He just decided that he would undertake the job. The meeting dash after the president had arrived. The meeting started. Correct. Now after the president will come, then only the meeting will start. So the meeting started after the president had arrived. A fire dashed out in our street last night.
Broke.
Correct. Broke out. A fire broke out in our street last night. He was only 15 when he died. Correct now? He was only 15 when he died. Last year it dashed heavily.
Rain.
Last year it rained heavily. Okay, everybody filled exercise number 9?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then the exercise number 10, what is it is saying? Page number 161. Rewrite the following sentences using simple past tense. So this you will do in your note. Okay na? Right now we will do here. He lends me 10 rupees to have a cup of tea. Here what is the verb? Verb is lends. So he lent me 10 rupees to have a cup of coffee. Remaining sentence same. Okay? While I sing, she dances.
While I sang, she danced.
While I sang, she danced. Whenever I try to contact him, he evades on this or that ground. Whenever I tried. Whenever I tried to contact him, he evaded on this or that ground. Evades will change into
Evaded.
evaded. I work hard to keep out of trouble and enjoy good health. I
worked hard.
worked hard to keep out of trouble and enjoy good health. She often shrinks from hard work. Here what is the verb?
Shrink.
Shrink.
Shrank.
So shrink, shrank, shrunk. She often shrank from hard work. Very beautiful roses grow in the garden. So what is the verb here? Grow. Very beautiful roses grew in the garden. They learn their lesson regularly. They learned their lesson. So it will be learned. They learnt their lesson regularly. Sheila wears a new frock every day. So here it is wear. Sheila wore a new frock every day. I always buy things at wholesale rates.
Bought.
I always bought.
So because here what is the verb? Verb is buy. So it will change into second form. I always bought things at wholesale rates. The birds fly away as I shoot at them. The
The
birds,
birds flew away as I shot at them.
correct. No, not shoot will not come. The birds flew away as I shot at
Shooted.
them. Shot. Shoot,
sorry.
shot. Okay na? As I shot at them. Everybody done? You have to do this in your note also, okay? Okay, so what is the question saying? Fill in the each of the following blanks with past continuous form of the verb given in the brackets against each sentence. Was or were may be used wherever necessary. And we know that was is used with singular subjects and were is used with
Plural subjects.
plural subjects. This thing we know. Correct now? Okay. I was dash my homework while my lucky sisters dash the television.
I was finishing my
Correct. I was finishing my homework while my lucky sisters
While watching.
were watching the television. Correct now? While my lucky sisters were
Yes, sir.
watching the television. Large crowd dash at the airport when the American president arrived. Large
Was
crowd.
waiting.
Yeah, correct. Because large crowd, it is a one particular subject. That's why was will come here. Large crowd was waiting at the airport when the American president arrived. Yeah, was waiting. He dashed something when I called on him.
He was writing.
He was writing something when I called on him. What dash when she came to you?
What were you doing?
Correct. What were you doing when she came to you? Correct now? What were you doing when she came to you? As Satish dash off the bus, he
Was-
slipped and fell.
Was
As
getting off.
correct. As Satish was getting off. Double T will come here. Because whenever any vowel is there before the consonant, then what we do? The letter gets twice. The letter is repeated. G-double-T-I-N-G. As Satish was getting off the bus, he slipped and fell. They suddenly realized that they dash in the wrong train.
They were traveling.
That they were traveling. So what will come here? Single L or double L?
Double L.
Yeah,
Double L.
because before that E is there. Traveling in the wrong train. Is it clear now? They suddenly realized that they were traveling in the wrong train. I dash my lesson when she called on me.
I was
preparing.
I was preparing, and the spelling will what? The E will get omitted. I was preparing my lesson when she called on me. When Razan came to my house, I dash a letter to my mother.
was writing.
I was writing. Correct. When Razan came to my house, I was writing a letter to my mother. I looked at the sky. The dark clouds dash.
Were gathering.
The dark clouds were, because here are not, it is not a single cloud. There are many clouds. So the dark clouds were gathering. A speeding truck crushed him to death while she dashed the road. While she was crossing the road. Okay. Then exercise number 12. Fill in the blanks with the correct tense of the verbs given in the brackets. Use the simple past. We have to use simple past or past continuous tense of the verb. So we have to read the sentence carefully. As Satish dash of the bus, he dash and dash. We did above only, like this sentence was only there, na? As Satish was getting off the bus, he slipped and fell. Correct now? As Satish was getting off the bus, he slipped and fell. F-E-double-L. When I last dash him, he dashed in a bank. When I last saw him. Correct now? When I last saw him, he was
He was
working in a bank. He dash a book when we dash cards.
He was reading a book.
He was reading a book when we were when we were playing cards. It will not be, we cannot write we played cards. No, it will go in past. So it is indicating both in past continuous only. He was reading a book when at the same time we were playing cards. The phone dash while dash my dinner. What will come here?
The phone rang while I was having my dinner.
Very good. The phone rang while I was having my dinner. Actually, their I is not written, so you add their I. While I was having my dinner. Next sentence, fifth. The baby dashed soundly when a sudden noise dashed her up. The baby was
The
sleeping
baby was
soundly.
sleeping soundly when a sudden noise woke her up.
Correct. The baby was sleeping soundly when a sudden noise woke her up. Mother dash food when I dash home. Mother
Mother
was
was cooking food when I
food.
reached.
Yeah, very good. Mother was cooking food when I reached home. While the polling dash everything dash peaceful. While the polling was
While the
yeah, what will
Was going on.
yeah, correct. Very good. While the polling was going on, everything
Everything was peaceful.
yeah, correct. Everything was peaceful. He dashed the letter when the wind dashed it out of his hands.
He was just opening the letter when the wind blew it out of his hand.
Yeah, correct. He was just opening the letter when the wind. What will be the second form of blow?
Blew.
Blew. The second form of blow is blew.
Blew.
Blow, blew, blown. He was just opening the letter when the wind blew it out of his hand. We dash our lunch when the postman dash knock.
We were having our
we
lunch
were
when the
having
postman
our
knocked.
lunch when the
Yeah, because this is going in continuous. We were having our lunch when the postman knocked.
Knocked.
As he dashed into the bus, it dashed suddenly.
as he was getting into the bus. it
Yeah,
started
very good.
suddenly.
As he was getting into the bus, it started suddenly. Okay? All failed exercise number 12?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Then the next exercise number 13. And the question is, put the verbs in brackets into the simple past or past continuous. So, first sentence is what? When I arrived, she dashed dinner. She apologized for waiting without me. Sorry, she apologized for starting without me, but said that she always dash at 8. So, what will come here? When I arrived,
Having dinner.
yeah, correct. When I arrived, she was having dinner. She apologized for starting without me, but said that she always dined at 8. Dine means to come at the chair for having dinner. D-I-N-E-D. Dined at 8. On Sunday, he always dash a bowler hat and dash an umbrella.
Wore and carried.
On Sunday, he always wore a bowler hat and carried an umbrella. Have you read his last book? Yes, I have. What you think? What you dash of if? I dash it very much. So what will come here? Have you read his last book? Yes, I have. What you think of it?
What you thought?
What you thought of it? What you thought of it? I dash it very much.
Like.
I liked
liked
it
it.
very much. I dash a flat with him when we were students. He always dash about my untidiness, means the dirtiness. He do not keep to be clean. I shared a flat with him when we were students. He always complained. He always complained about my untidiness. Next one. He suddenly
Realized.
blank is not here. You have to make a blank here. He suddenly realized that he dashed in the wrong direction.
Was going in the wrong direction.
Yeah, correct. That he was going in the wrong direction. He dashed the guitar outside her house when someone opened the window and dash a bucket of water upon him. He was playing. He was playing the guitar outside her house when someone opened the window and threw a bucket of water upon him. Threw. Very bad thing. Very bad thing. Now he is playing guitar and someone is throwing water on him. Correct now? I just dashed the letter when the wind dashed it out of my hand.
I just opened the letter.
I just opened the letter when the wind blew it out of my hand. The burglar dashed the safe when he dashed footsteps. He immediately dashed out his torch and dashed under the bed. The burglar
Open the safe.
Open.
no. The burglar was opening the safe when he heard footsteps. He immediately put out his torch and crawled under the bed. Correct ना? The burglar was opening,
Yes, sir.
not opened. अगर वो खोल चुका होगा तो फिर तो that is going in the past. Then why he will go under the bed? Okay ना? So the burglar was
Yes.
opening the safe when he heard footsteps. He immediately put out his torch and crawled under the bed. Is it visible properly ना?
Yes, sir.
दिख रहा है ना? हाँ, okay. When I dash for my passport, I dash this old photograph.
When I was looking for my passport, I found this old photograph.
Yeah, very good. When I was looking for my passport, I found this old photograph. Done? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So let's see what is the next one. Hey, some more sentences are there on the next page, page number 164. Yeah, we will complete them also. Okay, fine. You looked very busy when I saw you last night. What dash you dash?
What were you doing?
What were you doing? What were you doing? The boys dash carts when they dash their father's footsteps. Hey, wait a second, girl. Let it get completed over. The boys dash carts when they dash their father's footsteps. The boys
The
were
boys-
playing. The boys were playing cards when they. What will come? When they heard their father's footsteps. When they heard their father's footsteps, they immediately dashed the cards. What will come here? They immediately. Second form of hide.
Hid.
Yeah, correct. Hid. Hide, hid. Correct. Hid is correct. And the third form is hidden. Hide, hid, hidden. They immediately hid the cards and dashed out their lesson books and took out their lesson books. And it dashed brightly when Mayur came in at 7. I lit fire at 6 and it. What will come here? And it burnt. Burnt. And it burnt brightly when Mayur came in at 7. When I arrived, the class had already started and the teacher dashed on the blackboard. And the teacher, what will come here? When I arrived, the class had already started and the teacher was okay. So when I arrived, the class had already started and the teacher dash on the blackboard. So what will come here? Wrote or was writing? The teacher was writing on the blackboard. Yeah, correct. Was writing on the blackboard. I dash a picture Susie when the light went out. I had to give it finishing touch it in the dark. I was painting a picture Susie. I was painting a picture Susie when the light went out. I had to give it finishing touch it in the dark. I didn't want to meet Chandan. So when he entered the room, I what will come? Correct. I left. I didn't want to meet Chandan, so when he entered the room, I left. Unfortunately, when I arrived, Radha just dash, so we only had time for a few words. What will come? Radha just no, girl, no, left will not come here. You read the full sentence. So we only had time for a few words. Means she was not gone. They met, but she was leaving. Radha was Radha was just leaving. So we only had time for a few words. Next one. He dashed a bath when the phone rang. Very unwillingly, he dashed out of the bath and dashed to answer it. So, first, starting what will come? He was having a bath. Correct na? He was having a bath when the phone rang. Very unwillingly, he he was getting out. Yeah, correct. He got out of the bath and dashed to answer it and went to answer it. What one? Which one you are asking? You are asking left, left. Okay. Now clear. 18th one. He was very polite. Whenever his elder brother entered the room, he dashed up. He was very polite. Whenever his elder brother entered the room, he stood up. Stand, stood, stood. He was this be done. The admiral dashed balls when he received news of the invasion. He dashed on finishing the game. What will come here? The admiral was playing balls when he received the news of the invasion. He insisted on finishing the game. He insisted on finishing the game. My dog dashed along quietly when Mrs. Singh's Pekingese attacked him. My dog was walking quietly. My dog was walking along quietly when Mrs. Singh's Pekingese attacked him. Correct now? Yes, everybody filled here. So, I think so. We have completed till exercise number 13. Anybody have any doubt regarding any of the sentence or not filled? You can ask me now. And after that, what we have? Exercise 14. And in this, we have to do what? Supply the past perfect tense of the verbs given in the brackets. So, what is the time? Will you please tell me the time? So I think so we can do this exercise 14 also. Or shall we do it in homework? You can do this. Homework. Okay, then you can do it as a homework. And then tomorrow we will go through the exercise number 15. And I gave you one homework regarding letter writing also, na? What is that? It's on page number 12. Oh, sorry, page number 87. For the students, you may mark this. It is the question number 12. You are Vijay Kumar Reddy of 21, Himmat Nagar, Bengaluru, and you have to write a letter to the editor of Reputed Delhi about the acute shortage of water and polluted water supply in your area. But you have to write this in your own words. Do not copy the language which is mentioned here. You can read it once, take the idea, but then you will write it in your own words. Okay? Anybody, any other questions? Yeah. Okay, so tomorrow's class we will go through the exercise number 15 and exercise 14 is your homework and the question which are asking to rewrite you have to do them in your note also. Okay, so this one is your homework. Okay sir, bye. Okay, bye Shubhishnoy. Any other questions you want to ask or doubt? Okay.